Jennifer Lopez, one of the most iconic figures in the entertainment world, is once again facing legal proceedings related to copyright. This time, it concerns a lawsuit filed on January 5, 2025, in which she is accused of having shared several paparazzi-taken photographs on her social media without the proper authorization, or having acquired a license for their use. The images in question were taken during a private party held before the Golden Globes, specifically at an event hosted by Amazon MGM Studios, alongside Vanity Fair at the exclusive Bar Marmont in Los Angeles, the night before the awards ceremony. Before diving into this new chapter in Jennifer Lopez's legal saga, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Here we break down everything making waves in the world of celebrities, so you don't miss a thing. Ready to uncover what lies behind this controversy? Let's go. Photographer Edwin Blanco, along with the agency Backgrid USA, claims to be the legitimate co-owner of the images that Jennifer Lopez published on her digital platforms. According to the plaintiffs, the artist infringed on copyright laws by posting these photos, as, despite appearing in them, she does not own the legal rights to the content. This has sparked significant media interest, particularly because the lawsuit not only demands the removal of the material, but also financial compensation that could reach up to $150,000 per photo, totaling $1.35 million. Additionally, a jury trial has been requested, highlighting the seriousness of the case. The plaintiff's attorney, Peter Perkovsky, stated that the singer's use of the images was not merely personal, but commercial. In the posts, Jennifer Lopez allegedly tagged and mentioned several designers and fashion brands, strengthening the argument that there was a promotional intent. This point is especially relevant in legal terms, as it turns the image usage into an indirect form of advertising, thereby intensifying the alleged infringement. Lopez's legal team has not yet issued an official statement regarding the case. This silence may be part of a deliberate strategy, as any public comment could affect the course of the proceedings or complicate potential negotiations for an out-of-court settlement. In many cases, celebrities or their representatives prefer to resolve these disputes privately to avoid further media escalation or damage to their public image. It's worth noting that this is not the first time Jennifer Lopez has been involved in such a conflict. In 2017, she was sued by Splash News and Picture Agency after posting on Instagram a photo of herself with then-partner Alex Rodriguez. The photo had been taken by a paparazzo, and as in the current case, the artist did not have permission to share it. The agency claimed Lopez had violated copyright law, and after sending her a legal notice in December of that year without receiving a response, they formally filed the lawsuit in 2019. They demanded $150,000 in damages. A similar incident occurred when photographer Steve Sands filed a lawsuit against Lopez for the unauthorized posting of a photo taken during the filming of her TV series Shades of Blue. In that instance, the artist had shared a photo on her Instagram account in character. The image gained significant exposure, garnering over 500,000 reactions, which, according to the plaintiff, amplified the financial damage caused by the infringement. Far from being isolated incidents, these situations have become increasingly common in the world of celebrities. High-profile figures such as Ariana Grande, Khloe Kardashian, Gigi Hadid, Emily Ratajkowski, LeBron James, and Liam Hemsworth have also faced similar lawsuits from photographers and agencies. In many of these cases, the common denominator is the posting of images on social media without the original author's consent. Interestingly, in most of these photos, the celebrities appear as the main subjects, which has sparked a deep legal and ethical debate. From the photographer's perspective, their work should be respected as intellectual creations. Copyright laws in the United States and many other countries grant the author of an original work the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, and license that work. In this sense, even if a photo features a public figure, the photographer retains the rights to the image. The legal argument is clear. The person photographed does not automatically have rights over the image unless an agreement is reached or a specific license is acquired. However, celebrities and their advocates present a different viewpoint. They argue that paparazzi photos are often taken without their consent and frequently under invasive or unethical conditions. From their perspective, being a public figure should not mean losing control over their image or the right to share photos of themselves, especially when those photos were taken in public spaces. Some celebrities even argue that paparazzi profit off their image without offering any form of compensation or editorial control over how they are portrayed. A voice that exemplifies this stance is Gigi Hadid, who, when faced with a similar lawsuit, shared her frustration on social media over the dynamic between photographers and celebrities. Hadid stated that paparazzi consistently make money off non-consensual images of public figures and denounced the harassment these individuals face in their daily lives. Her case became emblematic, as it brought to light the ethics of photographing people in public spaces, something that, while often legal, can verge on the morally questionable. The proliferation of these conflicts has created growing tension between image rights and copyright. In the digital age, where social media serves as a massive dissemination platform, these issues become even more complex. A photo posted by a celebrity can reach millions of people within hours, which increases the potential value of the content and, consequently, the economic harm the author may claim to have suffered if the image was used without permission. In many of these lawsuits, celebrity defenses have attempted to invoke fair use, a legal doctrine that allows for limited use of copyrighted material without permission under conditions such as educational, informational, or critical use. However, this argument has rarely succeeded in these cases, as the posts often serve a commercial or promotional purpose, especially when they involve brands or products linked to the celebrity's wardrobe, makeup, jewelry, or filming sets. What seems clear is that these types of lawsuits will continue, at least until the laws are updated to reflect new digital realities. Until then, every celebrity social media post will potentially carry legal risk, even if it's simply a matter of sharing an image of themselves. In this environment, the line between public and private, between legal and ethical, remains blurred and a constant topic of debate. Jennifer Lopez, for now, finds herself once again at the center of that conversation. If this story surprised you, and you want more exclusive analysis on the hottest scandals and celebrity news, subscribe now, give us a like, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. We'll keep breaking down everything that moves the stars and what goes on behind the scenes. See you in the next video.